Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm gonna show to you how to upload a digital code in my own software Goodreads.net. So this is my software selling website, a digital asset. I will sell anything. I can sell anything, and also you will sell anything here. Okay, so now this is my own website codebees.net. Then go to Google and type simply codebees.net. Then you have to come this, visit my website obviously. Then guys, you just look this design and functionality, everything. Okay, so this is the another blog post also here I edit. So now you can show that inside of two button like sign in and sign up. Go to sign in, and you don't have any account, then you just go to sign up button. Now here you just your email address inside the here. I just keep my address. Okay, so if your credential is error, you can just go to forget password. And okay, I just enter in my login credential and that dashboard. Like this is my dashboard, and I will upload today one premium plugin. Okay, so guys, this is the plugin actually. So here is the plugin. I developed this plugin. uh, the, this is the name of coming soon page, and this is maintenance mode also. You can maintain your website, then use my plugin. So just I will upload this plugin, and I will show to you how you will upload plugin in my website codebees.net. So inside my outside in my room, then there is lots of rain sound. So just to go to click this new item and Teams plugins, I will upload on plugin, and I will show you this plugin premium prices. Okay, like go to your Google and simply type maintenance mode, and lots of plugin also they are giving to you actually free version and also free plugin. Okay, just type coming soon WordPress maintenance mode, WordPress maintenance plugin theme post. Okay, here is the coming soon and maintenance mode WordPress plugin also. You just go to this plugin and go to this plugin. Okay, then you will get an idea actually what is the main theme I have. This is the WordPress plugin actually. They are built this plugin, and lots of ability and lots of criteria. Their maintenance. Okay, so this is the progress version. They are all the time, and they are going. Okay, this is the actually theme. I build it actually similar to this one. Okay, so this is the plugin actually. WebDev they are developed this plugin. Now go to the premium version, and you just sort of maintenance and cleaning theme. This is the theme and plugin. Where is the plugin actually? This is the theme maintenance theme. Okay, This is the actually theme. Coming soon counter page and maintenance mode WordPress plugin, 5 cell, $30. So this is the actually very amazing. A $50 sell, then they are cutting this upfront $30. So now you just go to another plugin, Rabbit Coming Soon Elementor. So actually this is plugin I developed. Go to the live preview and you will understand what is the actually theme. So this is the live preview theme. They are supported DVT Elementor Visual Composer. Lots of plugin are included in this theme. Okay, so this is actual main theme, and inside of here just to go to plugin. Okay, then type here maintenance plugin or coming soon plugin. Okay, maintenance mode plugin. Okay, this is the actually plugin coming soon into maintenance mode. Then coming soon into maintenance mode, 90 oh, $19. That's the huge number of maintenance this plugin actually. So I think that there are lots of plugin are available in the theme forest. You just buy any kind of theme, any kind of plugin. Okay, so and my plugin is that this one. I'm just show to you here. Okay, similar to this one, but in the background gradient color and MailChimp subscriber. Then this is the social media account, social media link inside of here coming soon or maintenance mode. So this is actually guys very amazing and very easy tools, plugin tools. Okay, so go to my codeviz.net and buy this plugin. Okay, so now I just so to you actually, I'm going to share with how to upload this code in my codebees.net, and this is the multi-vendor digital asset code selling website. So here is the name, coming soon, coming soon page and maintenance mode plugin. Okay, I think that plugin is not mandatory here. Okay, you just go to this one, maintenance, maintenance, and CE. Okay, I just mistake this one actually. So here is the actually my code, and go to this here, and obviously I'll show you how to after later the description explanation how you'll write it. So go to the ChatGPT, the here ChatGPT. Then this here I'll just write uh, give me a full description of okay. Okay, I'm just share to you the only description, but if I add the plugin plugin word inside maintenance mode with plugin, then it will be changeable. Okay, they just share to you again. Just copy this title. Okay, first of all, then here, then type easily inside of here plugin, then it will be described different way. Coming soon page plugin full description. So this is the actually plugin description. You will, and I will again add the few maintenance mode and plugin inside my plugin folder, and I will update day by day. Okay, and I have a plan. I will add lots of theme inside of this folder. Okay, just go to this and go to code page, then inside of here change this actual title like key feature heading 3 because it's a little bit huge increase, showing to this huge larger the title. Okay, better this number one, number three. This is paragraph title. Okay, heading title three. Use cages title three. Then title three. It's my like choice. You have it. You have a choice. This one will be heading one and take your time, no problem. So here you just go to subdirectory WordPress plugin. Then go to your high resolution, yes. Then compatible browser apps, all browser are supported. Okay. Then files include JavaScript or PSP. I just build it PSP. Go to the PSP. Okay. Then version, you have to check this version actually. So version will be checked your WordPress maintenance mode. Just delete it and go to the plugin settings, and here is the coming soon and maintenance mode plugin, and developed by Masukmiya. Version is 1.2.0. Okay, so by Masukmiya. Okay, so now go to again your version sector, version 1.0. Okay, so demo link. Here is the demo link. Demo link is the very important, but it's optional. Okay, because anyone come through in my video, then he will know that plugin live section. I didn't take this live plugin in my portal, so that's why this is the actual thing. Go to the WordPress and the plugin installation part. You if you have any query, or if you face this any problem, then you can just tell me, I will help you. Okay, and also this short code you can use anywhere. Okay, any pages anywhere, any page coming soon later, then you just use this short code, use your Elementor. Okay, now go to again my code. The demo link I didn't use now, and tag must be tag. You have to explain it and give me 20 tags. This is the for SEO. Okay, tags use for use comma. Okay, and it will give you actually your title. That's why final both of explanation title will be coming soon, and here's the coming soon plugin. Based on your plugin, they will give you short and relevant text. Okay, so now go to your tag and explanation here. Maybe something wrong, I don't know. Okay, so it's okay. When you will paste, then you hit the enter button, then automatically show to you plugin keyword. So now here you just you will include your files, every files. Okay, single of thumbnail, uh, 120, then preview image, 12,000, uh, 1200 and 610 preview images, and main file will be external or internal uploaded to your code from here. Okay, just to go to your uploaded code, then click this, or how you let this plugin, just to go to your plus button from here, then you'll show that. Okay, so I'm just going to Canva design. Why I explain everything, because how you'll upload the code in my codeviz.net, then you will show that actually this is the way. Okay, Canva design. Guys, if you like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. In the upcoming code will be PDF tools. So it will be really amazing, and I will develop the code WordPress, and obviously it will be plugin. But if you want, you can change this your uh, developed code with plugin or any others, etc. So you just want and take it is on, then I think it will be better for you. So now this is the code. You just go to your plugin sector and upload this code, and you have to also make a video for your plugin. I think it will be better for you. like this one. This is my plugin. How you install, and how you will set up your plugin. Like coming soon page, click this coming soon place, then set up first of all enable plugin and mode coming soon or maintenance mode. It's totally depend on you. I developed two version, coming soon and maintenance mode. Then accepted everything, social links. You can include your links. Then you just SEO title, SEO description, some few your description inside of your SEO part, and then it's a better for your Google ranking. Okay, then administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber. Anyone subscribe this your website, then you just click this subscribe button. It's a lots of functionality. Then Mailchimp API key, parses key or ID, secret key, then verify license. Here just you when we parses my code, then it will automatically generated the parses key and secret key, then verify, then save change. So it's a very interesting. So you have to similar to this way, make a video, then upload on in my site only video preview. First of all, you have to upload the YouTube channel, then you can add this link because on my server there have no lots of huge memory. Okay, so now you just save these changes code. Okay, coming soon page, and also you can change automatically this code. I don't take a time for now because this is the actual thing I'm just showing to you for friendly. Okay, this is the really thing. Okay, so now I'm just design this one. This is very simple design, and I know this is very simple. Okay, now go to this one. This is the downloadable file. Okay, so you have to come again inside of your drag and drop this page builder. Okay, it's uploaded. Then you just want to make a video how to use your code or panel, then you can easily set up this one. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this one, and I will upload one video inside here because how you will use this one. So this video I'll upload it. Okay guys, so rest of the code you will just take this your regular prices like extended license and message for reviewer. I will review your code and then I will publish it in my website. So that's the really interesting. So this is the whole video, guys. I hope you will enjoy, and obviously if you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. So best of luck. See you soon in the next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.